Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai i10 Premium. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connection for MP3 devices, a multifunction touchscreen that incorporates Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You've also got front heated seats and a heated steering wheel, lane assist which helps you stop wandering when you're driving along the road, and you've also got air conditioning. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.